terrorists were killed and 104 passengers rescued by security forces after Baloch militants hijacked the Jafar Express train in a tunnel in Pakistan's Balochistan province on Tuesday. The Jafar Express, carrying around 400 passengers in 9 bogies, were travelling from Quetta to Peshawar when armed men intercepted it in a tunnel. For more on that, I'm joined in by my colleague Pradeep Datta, who will of course help us understand what is unfolding over here. Pradeep, good morning. What has of course transpired is absolutely shocking to say the least. And in a sense, if you look at it, it is a massive failure by the Pakistani agencies here. But for now, what are we given to understand with the demands also being put forth?
Yes, already the Baloch Liberation Army has given a 48-hour ultimatum to Pakistani authorities asking them to release all those political prisoners from Balochistan and also release those resistance fighters who are in the custody of Pakistan. But so far as the situation here is concerned, even after 19 hours, the rescue operation is continuing. The Pakistan Army is trying its level best to eliminate all those Baloch Liberation Army rebels so that they can rescue remaining people who had been held captive for the last several hours. So since last night we have seen that Pakistan Army had been trying to drop SSG commandos with the help of the helicopters, and already the operation is going on. They also use the drone. Some of the drones were even shot down by the Baloch Liberation Army. Baloch Liberation Army is basically fighting for the independence of Balochistan. They feel that Balochi people are being treated like second-class citizens by Punjabi-dominated Pakistan Army. And they are saying that many of their people had already disappeared. Women are being raped. There's a complete discrimination, and even their resources are being exploited. So they are completely against even China-Pakistan economic corridor. They are saying that China's footprints have also increased. So recently they held a meeting. In that meeting they decided that all the Baloch rebels will come under one umbrella and they will escalate attack against Pakistan Army. In the month of November also we saw last year how they had carried out a Fidain attack, the bombing of the Quetta railway station, in which 26 people had died, which included 14 army personnel, and more than 60 were injured. So they had escalated their attacks against the Pakistan Army. This time also they had an information that Pakistan Army was travelling in this train, Jafar Express. The moment it was about to enter the tunnel, that was the time when Baloch Liberation Army rebelled. They opened fire and they also blew up the railway track that brought the train to screeching halt, and since then they are having a control of the train. And though 80 of those people who had been hijacked have been rescued, but still many more are in their captivity. Let's see how long it will take. But right now the situation continues to remain grim, and they had claimed, the Baloch Liberation Army had come out with the third statement. They claimed that more than 30 Pakistan Army personnel have been killed. So far this statement has been refuted by the Pakistani Army. They say nothing of that sort has really happened, but only once the operation will be over one will get to know what really about the number of casualty and everything. But so far as the eyewitnesses are concerned, they are saying that they are armed, heavily armed. They are carrying with them RPG rockets. They fired RPG rocket round while the train was about to enter tunnel. They opened fire, in which a train driver also got injured, and that brought train to screeching halt. And since then this hostage drama is continuing, and Pakistan Army is trying its level best to outnumber them and somehow rescue each and every person who are held hostage by the Baloch Liberation Army.
Right, Pradeep. Thank you for joining us this morning with more on what we are picking up unfolding. But for the moment, we leave the conversation at that. But considering the fact that we're talking about how in this particular situation, let's tell you that according to sources, they've rescued passengers, including 58 men, 31 women and 15 children were transported to March, a town in Balochistan's Kutchi district, by another train. But for more reactions as far as what has happened in this incident, let's listen in.
लाचर लगा इसको, इंजन को जा रहे थे, लाचर लगा तो धुरिया हो गया, फिर फायरिंग शुरू हो गया, फायरिंग था, फिर लॉन्चर थे, ऐसे धमाके थे कि बस अल्लाह ने बचा दिया। मगर ये है कि हम बुढ़ी को उतारा, सबको उतारा नीचे, बोला उतरो नहीं तो गोलियां मारेंगे। उतर गया नीचे, फिर हमको देखा, बोला बस तुम जाओ।
लोग सोए हुए थे, जब वो तंग आ गए, बोले भाई बोगी खाली करें, हम लोग जगाते हैं। हम लोग निकल गए उधर, हम लोग को छोड़ दिया, फिर बोला आप लोग जाएं भाई, अपना रास्ता पकड़ें, निकलते जाएं, आप लोग के साथ दुश्मनी